Look at the board, students. Today we'll study the sentences. Clear? A simple sentence contains finite verb. And what is finite verb? A verb related to time, first or second form. A finite verb is a verb that has got first or second form. What is the finite verb?
A verb to time. A verb related to time.
Related to time, and what is the other quality of the verb?
Second form.
Speak one by one. Kindly speak one by one. Clear? So simple sentence, it contains finite verb, first or second form of the verb. Next comes the compound sentence. Clear? So what is the compound sentence? A compound sentence has at least two finite verbs. How many verbs?
Two finite verbs.
Two finite verbs and two clauses. Clear? Two finite verbs, two clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions?
Join.
Do you know what the coordinating conjunctions are?
And but
Hold on. Let me give you a short form, that is mnemonics. Mnemonics, okay? Pen, S, F, for, A, and
nor
not, but, or,
yet
yes, so. Clear? They are coordinating conjunctions. If you remember the fan voice, you remember coordinating conjunctions. So joined by simple, a compound sentence, two finite verbs, two clauses, joined by
coordinating conjunction.
coordinating conjunctions. Remember the definition. If you remember the definition, you will be able to identify the sentence types. Clear? Next one is complex sentence. A complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more subordinating clauses or subordinate clauses. Okay? One independent clause and one or more subordinating clauses. Clear? Did you remember? Do you remember this?
Yes.
Complex sentence, one.
Independent clause and all subordinate clause.
Well, next one, compound complex sentences or sentence. It has got two independent clauses. How many independent clauses?
Two independent clauses.
Two independent clauses. And one or more
Dependent
clauses. Clear? So here is the exercise. Two independent clauses and one or more independent clauses. That is compound complex sentence. Simple sentence will tell me. Will tell me about the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Keep studying, keep studying.
A simple sentence contains one finite verb
One finite verb.
related to time and
Okay, next one. What is the compound sentence? Who will tell me? Amen. What is the compound sentence?
that have two finite verbs.
Two finite verbs and look at the board. You can tell me looking at the board even.
And two clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction. Yes, you wanted to tell? Complex sentence?
One independent clause and one or more subordinating clauses.
Without looking at the board, who will tell me compound complex sentence? Yes.
Two independent
Clauses?
Two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses.
Okay, you had better leave now, or I will call the police. This is the example. And it says it's a compound sentence. Why it is a compound sentence? How will you identify? Hold on. One by one. Raise your hands. Why it is a compound sentence?
It is containing or between the sentence. You had packet, or
What is or? What is or?
Or is a coordinating.
Yes, because of coordinating conjunction, it is a compound sentence. It means compound sentence carries a coordinating conjunction. It has a coordinating conjunction. Whenever I pass a pizza parlor, I get very hungry. Oh my God. Whenever I pass a pizza parlor, I get very hungry. Do you get hungry? When you pass a pizza parlor? Okay. Whenever I pass the students classes, I feel like teaching, okay? Anyway, whenever I pass a pizza parlor, I get very hungry. So, which, answer is already written, okay? Why it's a complex sentence?
Because
Oh no, one by one. Get permission, then speak. Yes, sir.
Sir, because it contains two independent clauses for them.
Why it's a complex sentence?
Sir, can I?
Hold on. She says two independent clauses. Complex sentence has got two independent clauses. One independent and one or more subordinate. Yes, you.
Sir, because it contains one independent clause and it is joined by a whenever is a subordinating clause, that's why it is a complex sentence.
Yes. It's not joined by. It is
Uh,
began by, started by, not joined by. Clear? It is joined by when it is in the middle. Clear? It is started by. You can say subordinating conjunction. Because of whenever we came to know that it is a
complex sentence.
clear? Because of the subordinating conjunction.
Yes, and one independent.
Handy trick is, easiest trick is, because of the subordinating conjunction, it is complex sentence. Next one. My student, my daughter, she's getting tired, huh? That's the reason, she's looking at the board again and again. He was the best athlete of college in my days. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Let me know which sentence it is. Which sentence it is?
Simple sentence.
Simple sentence. Why it is a simple sentence?
Because it should contain one finite verb.
One finite. Where is that one finite verb? Can you identify that finite verb? Let me underline it. Make me underline. Who will make?
Was.
What is that?
Was.
No. Sir,
Which one is the finite verb?
best. Best.
Was what?
Was is the finite verb.
Sir, how?
Second form.
Second form. Be was.
Be was. Second form of be.
Sir, best is also the second form of good. Best.
It is, I think it's the
Adjective.
Adjective.
degree of adjective. Clear? Next one, they came to us and stayed with us for 3 weeks. It's you. You. Yes, you. Then, which sentence it is? Why it is a compound sentence?
Because one independent and one was word also.
Another handy trick.
Two infinite clause, verb and
It is very easy to identify.
Sir.
Hold on, no. Keep silent. Keep silent. Keep silent. Wait for the others. Yes, you. You yourself. You yourself.
Because it has one independent clause and one dependent.
Oh, sir, may I?
Another handy trick. Another handy trick.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, because there is a coordinating conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction is already written, underlined.
Underline.
And because of the coordinating conjunction. Clear? We forget the clauses. The thing is, I try to identify the sentences through their conjunctions. Clear? That will be quite easy for you. Remember the conjunctions, you'll be able to identify them. Clear? So that's okay. Any question regarding that?
No.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Did you understand it well?
Yes.
Should I wind it up?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Stay here.
Allah Hafiz.